expressionsvinyl.com, and today I wanted to show you our pattern heat transfer vinyl. We are loving the different patterns that we have, and I don't know if you've ever used heat transfer vinyl with the pattern on it. There are so many different types out there, and I want to explain how ours is a little bit different. Ours has the transfer mask already on it, which means you don't cut on the top like on some others. You would reverse your image and cut on the back, just like you do with regular EasyWeed or your other heat transfer vinyl. So once you've chosen your image and your fun pattern that you're going to use, make sure when you load it into your machine, you put the pattern side down and the white side up and reverse your image. And then when you go to load it in your machine, just put it in just like that, whether you use a mat or not. The pattern side goes down and the white side stays up. If you're wondering about the cut settings, we do have those on our website. I use the same cut settings on mine that I would with EasyWeed. It's that easy. So now I'm going to show you how easy it is to work with. I've already got a couple things cut out, both in EasyWeed and one of our patterns. And let me just weed this out. How easy that is to weed, and it's so fun to work with. So we've got our cute butterfly wings here. Let me just get the rest of the butterfly and then we'll be ready to put it on the shirts. The great thing about it is it's the same as EasyWeed. You reverse your image, you put it on there exactly the same as EasyWeed, so you don't have to do something different with the pattern versus your EasyWeed. You do it all the same. And you can layer with it. So I'm going to layer these fun butterflies with this EasyWeed electric on the back and then the pattern right on top of it. So let me show you how that looks on our cute t-shirt. I'm going to get this one. Actually, I'm going to start with the larger butterfly. And this is EasyWeed electric in purple. Okay, so I've got this one ready, and I'm gonna apply it to our t-shirts. I've already gone ahead and pre-pressed this t-shirt. It's a cute little girl's t-shirt that I found at Walmart. I'm gonna put these cute butterflies. I've got 4 of them, so I'm just gonna do a couple of them up the shirt. So put this first one here. And for this, you just need to use it at 305 degrees if you're using a heat press. For your iron, the iron we use is just a little bit under the cotton setting, and then just press it for 2 to 3 seconds when you're doing more than one layer, and then we'll do the pattern layer on top of that. I've got my iron here. I'm just going to press it for just 2 to 3 seconds for this first layer, and then put the other ones. Okay, so I've pressed the first layer. Let me peel that off. And again, you only have to do it for 2 to 3 seconds when you're going to layer other stuff on top of it. And now I'm going to put the pattern on top. And for the pattern, you use it the same temperature, so the 305 degrees and the same pressure that you would EasyWeed. So that's what makes it so nice to work with. You don't have to have that extra transfer mask for it. We already provide it for you. And it works just the same as the other heat transfer you're already using. So here we've got the top layer of our butterfly. That one's ready to go down. Set it right there on top. Oh, it's going to be cute. And this is covering everything, so I don't need a cover sheet over it. But if it wasn't covering everything, then I would recommend a cover sheet on it. And then this one you can press for a little bit longer because it's going to be the top layer. Press 10 to 15 seconds. Okay. And just peel the cover sheet right off. So look at how cute this turned out. We are loving these patterns. There are so many fun ones that we've got. There's over 100 different ones. If you go to expressionsvinyl.com, you'll see all the different patterns that we carry, and we're constantly adding new ones. So if you've got any pattern requests, if you've got different ones that you don't see, let us know in the comments below. Make sure you go to expressionsvinyl.com to get all the patterns that we've got right now. And if you've got any questions or comments, leave them below. We'll make sure to answer them and hope you guys have a great day.